Hello guys, welcome to Vegan Made Yummy. My name is Heidi and today we are making quinoa salad. This recipe is nut-free, soy-free and diabetic-friendly. The health benefits are high in protein, high in fiber, and improves energy metabolism. To start, bring 2 cups of water and 1 cup of quinoa to a boil in a medium saucepan. Reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer until tender and most of the liquid has been absorbed, which is about 20 minutes. Transfer quinoa to a large bowl. Add 1 cup of cucumbers cut into 1/4 inch cubes, 1 small red onion cut into 1/4 inch cubes, 1 large tomato diced, half a cup of fresh parsley leaves chopped, half a cup of fresh mint leaves chopped, 1 8-ounce can of sliced olives, and 1 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans drained. Stir to combine ingredients. In a separate bowl, mix half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 lemon juiced, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Pour dressing over quinoa mixture and toss well. Spoon the salad mix onto some lettuce if desired or enjoy as is. This is the final result, refreshing and delicious quinoa salad. Stay tuned for more vegan made yummy recipes.